Hello, my friends. This is Maria here, and today I am in the middle of this project, and I'm gonna tell you and I'm going to show you what I am doing. So, I am applying this eye that I crocheted a long time ago, and I'm putting it on the back of this amazing sweater. And what I did is that I measure from sleeve to sleeve in order to make sure that I have it in the center. So using this measuring tape, I made sure that I have 13 inches from the center all the way to the sleeve on the right side, and that I have the same measurement all the way to the left side. As you can see, I have 13 inches from here all the way here, and that's where the sleeve is coming out from. So another thing that was very useful is that I followed this little line here where the neck was putting together, joining together, to make sure that I have this in the center. So I fold this in half and I place it right in the middle of the sweater. For these applyings, what I'm doing is, for this application, is I'm going up and down, making sure that I'm not pinching both parts of the sweater. So that's why I stick my hands inside here. And I'm just gonna go here. I'm doing it this way, going up and down for the most amount of stitches in my eye. So I'm going up and down, and I pass all the thread that I have until I go all around my eye. So I'm gonna go sewing on the edges of the eye. It is important not to stretch, not to pull, because then you're gonna lose the real shape or the actual shape of the eye and also of your sweater. So this is what I'm doing, going up and down. It's very fun, it's easy, and the result is gonna be great. So the only thing is that you need to make sure that you go like following this here, and I'm almost there. All right, so as you can see, I have a lot of the eye already. I started in here and I just need to go all the way here. I'm gonna aim the camera a little bit more to see if I have more contrast with the light. Probably you can see better in this way. And I'm going to go here to make a couple of more stitches. Color black is always hard to see on camera, and I have a lot of light coming out from my window coming in, but still I don't know if you're gonna be able to see with a lot of details. So what I'm doing is going up and down here and passing through all the edges of the eye. It's actually an oval. I didn't follow any pattern. I just invented my pattern. And if you want this pattern, just send me an email or write to me in the description box below and send me your email, and I can send the pattern to you. So actually you can follow here, and as you can see, I go up and down. All right, I have a couple of more inches to go, and as you can see here, I'm just going around. All right, it's looking good so far. I'm going to go from the bottom part, sticking my hand over here, and now this is very comfy, so I can keep moving forward in order to finish this applique here. All right. Okay, the more I place the fastest I'm gonna go, and I don't have to do this as many times as I have been doing till now. So I'm gonna go here. It's nice, it's different, and it's cute. So I just need to go on this part, and I'm gonna be finishing this pretty soon. I am right here, and I just have a couple of more stitches to go, and I'm getting ready for fall with this amazing sweater with all these colors. I got this, I don't remember, I guess I got this from Ross, and it was super on this with discount. It was on sale, but I have the idea of using it as a background for this eye that have been like waiting for me to do something with it. All right, here I go, up and down, up and down. Up and down, right? Almost there, guys. Ooh, this is super fun. Okay, let me check. Oh, I guess I'm at the right point where I started. So let me check. Oh no, I have a little bit more to go here. You see, I just have that to finish. And this is the way I'm here. So that's the way I'm gonna be doing it. So I'm gonna go here. In order to finish. Okay. All right. Now I am in the right place. Look how cool it is. It's super nice. Look at the way it looks. And I'm gonna put it like so. And I'm gonna take away all these little pins, or little clips that I have here. They're special for crochet and super useful. Now I'm gonna go and look it from the back. I need to go down here and pull my needle all the way down, and let's check. This is what I have. You can barely see the stitches in here. Look, this is so nice. You can barely see the stitches from the back. So this is awesome. I love it. And I'm just gonna go here like a couple of times in order to finish my work. So what I can do is I just can go here and probably go doing my stitches like to finish my work. And I'm just going to hide my thread all the way here, like up and down inside the work. So I can go here, and I'm ready to go. I can't wait. This can be long. I can probably do a little knot here, so this is not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna do a double knot just in case. Okay, and this is gonna be long, doesn't matter, nobody's gonna see it. And that's the result. I love it. Let me see if I can aim the camera a little bit high so you can see the complete view from here. So that's the sweater, and that's the eye on the back of this amazing sweater. So what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below this video. And remember, you can always subscribe to my channel. If you go here in this little corner here you can click in these beautiful pictures right here, and that way you're going to be subscribing to my channel. So remember, when you always have something that you crocheted or you have it on a drawer or inside your closet and you don't know what to do, look for something cool, look for an original idea, something you probably can do. And it's also nice because this is something that you are going to probably be wearing during fall and during winter time. So I see you soon, my friends. Thanks for being here, and subscribe to this channel because I have a lot of things to show you in the future. So I see you on my next video or in my next episode. So bye bye, friends. Subscribe, give me a like, and of course, you can always send a comment. Write it down below this video. Thank you so much, and I see you next time. Bye bye, friends. I'm gonna wear this right away. Bye bye. Bye, friends.